Welcome to Timeless Skin Aesthetics. Today we will be demonstrating the insertion of the threads, the revolutionary lifting technology with 70% results of the facelift without general anesthesia and minimum downtime. For the lower third of the face, volumization doesn't work. It works very well for the mid-face, however gravity and age and increased skin laxity moves the skin and subcutaneous tissues down. So in order to correct the increased skin laxity and ptosis of the tissues, the best alternative to the facelift would be the use of barbed threads. They are absorbable, however they're gonna stay under the skin of the patient and hold the tissues for 1.5 years, growing collagen around them and creating the collagen band that will still provide some lift after the threads will be dissolved. We're putting in the threads that's gonna stay there for 1.5 years. It will require a little bit different setup. It is a sterile procedure and should be treated accordingly. The procedure is done under local anesthesia with lidocaine and requires just the anesthetic in the entry points where we create a little bit of barbs. That's the only unpleasant event in all this procedure. So it burns a little bit and we call it ouch. And that's what we're gonna do for anesthesia on one side. Now we're just gonna open the threads. Slowly advancing the thread in the subcutaneous tissues and trying to stay in the right layer. We're cutting the needle. Just trying to follow the markings that we did prior to the procedure. Cutting the needle again. And one side is done. Now we're just going to move the patient on the other side and to perform the similar procedure on the other side. And now the final procedure, it is the engagement of the threads. That's the last element of it. All we need to do is just to pull the threads, the tissues up and engage these little barbs. As you could see it based on the wrinkles, these threads are beautifully engaged. You have excessive tissues pulled up, and then we're just going to cut the threads. That's on one side and symmetrically on the other side. So we're creating a little bit of Joker look face, and it's called overcorrection, and I've done it on purpose. Exactly in 1 to 2 days, all these wrinkles gonna go away. It's simple, it's safe, it does not require general anesthesia like the facelift, and you're gonna achieve approximately 50% of the facelift results just using the threads. You see, it already looks different. and it's still gonna look beautiful even after this wrinkle's gonna go away, and they will go away in 2 days. The thread's gonna stay there for 1.5 years, and after that they slowly gonna dissolve. Again, when they dissolving, it's the lactic acid, which is a natural body component and very strong collagen stimulant, so there are going to be collagen bands.
It was practically painless, a little bit unpleasant moments during the injection on the station, but other than that, it was simple, it was painless, and looking forward to have a new look.